2 years ago, I made a video to review the pottery kit called Sculpt. I really loved it. It inspired me to actually take a ceramics workshop. I did that, and I also created a lamp, which I love. It's now sitting in my living room, and yeah, I just wanted to make more lamps, but it was an expensive workshop, so I decided that I would give it a try using Sculpt. I did not film any of the content while I was making it. I think it was also like 1 year ago. This is the lamp. It's been sitting in my bedroom for too long, and I painted it. I still need to varnish it, I think, and the things that I was missing were the cable and the light bulb. So I finally have all of the parts that I need. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to assemble it and the final result of this pretty lamp. I used 2 colors in acrylic paint, one of which was metallic, as you can notice from the very cute shine. One of the sides has a hole for the cord, and of course there's the hole for the light bulb. For the cords, I couldn't find anything I liked online, so I custom made one from Creative Cables where I could choose every color. So what happened? Okay, I'm not good at this, but let's try this out. I hope you guys can see. So if you ever decide to do a project like this one, make sure to have a hole that is a bigger size than what you measure, because the clay, when it dries, it will get a bit smaller. The hole got a bit smaller. So unfortunately, I cannot have the lamp, the light bulb going from the top, but I'm just putting the plug inside. I have to find the right spot because there's like a bigger part that can fit this. I hope I don't break it. Oh shit. Yes! The only thing that I realized that with the bulb here, I might have to glue it. So I also have some crazy glue that I can use to fix this part to the lamp. And now for the light bulb part. That's the final look. Let's see, I love it. But yeah, I need to fix it because of course it's too heavy. So I'll use some glue now to fix this. It's so pretty with the transparent switch. I love it. Ta-da! Love it. Too many lamps. Let me turn this one off. Oh, I love it. My eyes are like, it's just too bright. What I like about this is that you could actually just use something to tie this extra cord, and you could actually hide it under the lamp. I'm gonna use some glue right now to fix this and then show you the final result.